Giuseppe. Hey. Jacob, what's up? And
I'm Sam.
Sam, what's up? How you guys doing today?
I'm doing great.
Nice. So, what brings you out to the airport?
Jump out of an airplane.
Going up to 10,000 feet?
Exactly.
Jumping. All right. What's the special occasion?
Nothing.
Feeling crazy today?
A little bit.
Nice. So, are you from Monterey, huh?
Monterey, California.
Fog town over there?
Yeah, a little bit.
So, whose idea was that of you three?
By me.
Yes, we're gonna blame it on you.
Yep, blame it all on me.
So, who's the most scared?
I don't know. I'm not scared as I
You
thought
guys
I would
look
be.
excited. Hold out your hands. Let me see. You guys are all scared. got you unhooked here. What'd you think?
That was tight.
Awesome, Scott. This guy just jumped out of a plane at 10,000 feet.
I loved it. It was tight.
So anything to say to everybody at home now?
Go skydiving, man. This shit's cool.
Once again, thanks for coming out to Skydive Surfcity.
Awesome.
See ya! Woo!